Next, we're in Hillsboro, Ohio for a pretrial hearing. 27-year-old Stevie Dawn Coulter has been charged with fifth-degree harassment.
Here's another one of those mixed episodes I do, where I borrow a classic from the best TV court show online called Court Cam A&E, the one with the gorgeous Dan, and this one is gold as this chick thinks that she doesn't take drugs, and all I'll say is this clown's wasted and is a f***ing genius. Enjoy.
A felony. 5 months earlier, officers approached Coulter after they saw her stumbling while walking in public. She admitted that she was under the influence of methamphetamine, and when she tried to leave, she was arrested for obstructing justice and resisting arrest, both misdemeanors. Then, while in custody, she spit at and grabbed the hair of deputies, picking up the felony harassment charge. She was released on her own recognizance, but was subject to pretrial supervision, including drug testing. Today, Coulter's in court to enter a guilty plea that would include court-ordered drug counseling and potentially no jail time. She's represented by defense attorney Dennis Kerr. The judge is Rocky Koss.
All right, this is State of Ohio versus Stevie Dawn Coulter. State of Ohio versus Stevie Dawn Coulter. Are you Stevie Dawn Coulter?
Yes.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir.
Right away, there seems to be something slightly off with the defendant.
Are you all right, Mrs. Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you?
Please remember, this is a blend of my stuff and Court Cam with Dan. His stuff has music with it, and my stuff doesn't. And did I mention that his voice is so goddamn sexy?
Pardon me? All right, are you all right, Mrs. Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you? All right. Well, we'll go ahead and have this pre-trial, but a couple of things I want to talk about after that. This was actually set for a hearing, I believe, for the defendant to enter in a plea for conviction, or at least have the hearing on that. I have a report from the probation department that she's been testing positive for gabapentin, marijuana, methamphetamine, amphetamine. Hasn't reported since September. Call said she didn't have a ride, wanted to be rescheduled, does not contact since then. Referred to Talbot House for an assessment. There's been no contact there they've had from Talbot.
I just have a question. Does it even test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
What's that now?
Does it test for a gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
Okay.
That's what
Miss Talbot, or Miss...
Because someone said that to me in Theo's office, and I'm a very intelligent person, and I know a lot, and I just looked stuff up.
I'm a very intelligent person. I look stuff up all the time, that ladies and gentlemen, and all of those in between. Those are the traits of a genius, and not just any genius, but one that spells it with a J.
All the time. And, I can't... It's hard for me to plea in lieu of, honestly, because of the things that I found in this. That's like kind of like, I don't know.
Miss Coulter, I'm going to have you drug tested here. Probation officers here. I'm going to have them drug test you. See.
I've never been in trouble. No, I just got beat the out of by a dude who left a bite mark on my arm, and my head hurts now because of it. He beat me up until I was literally talking.
Yes, it does sound like a zombie has been eating on your brain.
And in this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself after her social security number. So he arrested me based off of... Okay,
well, that's not what we're here about here today, Miss Coulter. It's clear that you're not in a situation...
But they lied also, though, Judge.
You don't interrupt me, Miss Coulter.
And everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Miss Coulter, be quiet. Quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
Judge is about to get loud.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. You understand me?
Why?
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now, if you open up your mouth again, and you need to stay on topic here. All right? You're going to go to jail for 10 days right now. I'm going to have you tested by the probation department.
Okay, so.
And then we'll decide what's going to happen.
Drug test, they already did a mental health assessment when I got out on the terms of the first time I went out. Or I got out when I first originally got out.
Miss Coulter, you're disrupting this proceeding.
I promise you, I'm not trying to be like that.
Yeah,
But it's in black and right. It's right there. It's right there.
All right.
I highlighted it. Then I identified within the first 3 lines.
I don't even know what you're talking about because it has nothing to do with what we're here for
The police
today.
officer that arrested me. It was wrongful arrest, and then I had 5 cops on me.
All right, you have an
I
attorney.
had 5 cops on me.
Miss Coulter, you have an attorney.
I wasn't even I didn't even touch that girl. It was my only form
Take
of
her into
defense.
custody. Put a cuff on her.
It was my only form of defense.
You're going to jail, and we're going to have you tested. I want you to.
So what?
Has she been drug tested today?
I'm on drugs today. I have a headache.
That's enough, Miss Coulter.
I don't even know where he's at. I don't care.
Mr. Kirk, I think you need to file a request to have this defendant evaluated for mental health. I think
I need so they don't get f***ed.
you want to help her. Okay.
No, I'm not crazy. It's wrong. Crazy. I'm not on fucking drugs like that. It's wrong. You're expecting these cops to be out here doing this to people when the cops like the picture covered in film.
As she's taken away, Coulter delivers a parting shot.
I hate every person in this That ain't a gun. That ain't a gun. Just because I put someone on black and white.
All right. No. Oh, go ahead. Now, Mr. Kirk, if you would, I was trying to say this. I don't know if you heard me or not. I'm sure you have mentioned it already. Obviously, she needs a mental health evaluation.
Based on this, and then also some other information.
Yeah. Yeah. Are they on their way? Well, next time he leaves like that, let me know because I did not know. I knew I was going to have her taken into custody. I didn't know he wasn't here. All right. So, 10 days contempt.
After serving 10 days in jail for contempt, Coulter was ordered to report to probation for failing multiple drug tests. But when she failed to report, a warrant was issued and she was arrested again. And then, 6 days later, according to court records, Coulter was ordered to undergo 6 months of psychiatric treatment in order to evaluate her competency for trial. Her case is pending.
Hello. My name's Forrest Gump. Do you want a chocolate? I could eat about 1.5 million of these. My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates.
And sometimes it's like the chocolate has been dipped in acid and people are really fucking out there. So I'll ask you just one more time. Would you like to have a chocolate bitch? Welcome to my channel.